Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging with the Honor Magic V6. So, if you want to fix your phone heating while it's charging, first thing what are we going to do is understand that it's normal if you charge it using fast charging. So, if your charger supports fast charging, then it's normal that it will heat up a little. And so first, what are we going to do is we're going to enable some options so that we can detect the apps that may be draining our battery and heating up our device. We're going to go over into battery, and here in battery, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into more battery settings. Here we have the power consumption alert, and we want to make sure that we enable it. It's very important because once we enable it, we will get notified whenever there's an app that will just drain our battery or heat up our device. So also here we have the system optimization. I would recommend doing it because sometimes if the system is just not optimized, it can cause some issues like this while you're charging the phone. You want to make sure that you use the original charger and the cable that it was given in the box. And if you use some third-party ones, then that might be the reason why your fast charging, not fast charging, but just charging overall can heat up your phone. Make sure that you avoid using the phone while charging it. It's very important because if you play games on the phone while it's charging, it might cause the issues. And of course, if you have a case on your phone, I would recommend removing it. So I do have the case. It's the original one. Now, if you want to remove it, just grab it from two sides. And as you guys can see, sometimes it's better if you do it like this. So you can take it from this side. Of course, the case should go off at some point. Sometimes it's really hard to just take it off, but pretty normal. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and update our software as a last resort to fix any glitches. Make sure that if you charge the phone, we want to remove the case to improve heat dissipation, and we want to charge it in a cool and ventilated area. Now we want to go to settings and system and updates, go to software update, and here we want to check for software version. We want to make sure that we are on the latest one, just like me. It's very important because you want to make sure that there's no other glitches on the phone. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.